Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use indicators in TradingView. To get started, simply open any chart on the platform. Look for the Indicators button, which is usually found near the top of your screen. It often has a small FX icon next to it. Clicking this button will open a new window, providing you with access to a vast library of analytical tools to enhance your trading analysis. Once the indicator window is open, you will see a search bar at the top. Type the name of the indicator you are looking for, such as Moving Average or RSI. You can browse through hundreds of built-in indicators or explore thousands of community-created scripts. Simply click on the indicator's name, and it will instantly appear on your chart, ready for analysis. After adding an indicator, you can easily customize its appearance and parameters. Hover your mouse over the indicator's name directly on the chart or in the indicator list. A small gear icon will appear. Click it to open the settings menu. Here, you can modify inputs like the period length, change the data source, or adjust colors and line styles to suit your visual preferences. Managing your indicators is straightforward. If you wish to temporarily hide an indicator without removing it, simply click the eye icon next to its name on the chart. To remove an indicator entirely, click the X button that appears alongside the eye icon. You can also reorder indicators by dragging and dropping them in the indicator list, helping you organize your chart layout efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.